12th AGM and Workshop of Association of Asia-Pacific Peace Operations Training Centers, AAPTC, took place at BIPSOT from 27th to 30th May, 2024. The AAPTC is an entity conformed with the centers and government institutions of the Asia-Pacific region in partnership with Global Peace Operation Initiative dedicated mainly to train and educate members of national armed forces, security forces, and civilian personnel appointed to participate in peacekeeping operation under UN mandate. Since inception in 2011, BIPSOT has been performing the role of Secretariat of AAPTC and holds the general meeting annually. Importantly, this is the first time Bangladesh is hosting the event of AGM and Workshop of AAPTC. 47 overseas participants, including union headquarters, and 56 local participants joined this year's AGM and Workshop. On May 27, opening ceremony was held, and respected Chief of Army Staff of Bangladesh Army graced the occasion as the chief guest.
With the contribution from all member states, this association has always been a beacon of cooperation and collaboration amongst the peacekeeping training centers of Asia-Pacific region.
LCM and its partners are also looking at building a repository of lessons learned and best practices that will benefit all TCCs and PCCs peacekeeping training centers.
In this speech, Chief of Army Staff also expressed his belief that all representatives of APT member countries would make valuable experience away from the meeting.
I hope the discussions and the deliberation over the next few days will lead to innovative solutions and strategies for enhancing peacekeeping training and operation in the Asia-Pacific region.
Inauguration of simulation training, ENPOST, during this year's AAPTC, greatly enhanced capacity building efforts and readiness initiative of BIPSOT for various complex situations encountered in peace missions and humanitarian operations. For the first time, a keynote speech was introduced in this annual conference, which generated a lot of interest among the participants. Subsequently, 2 different members and observers groups shared their views in the sub-theme discussions.
In honor of the participants, a welcome reception and dinner was hosted. Member and observer countries of this association presented their respective training updates in the second day of conference. There were also commandants and instructors breakout sessions to regulate commitments and resources to meet the UN's requirements. There was an exclusive session for other regional association as well. There was also a demonstration on ENPOST.
On the 29th of May, overseas participants were exposed to observe the International Day of UN Peacekeepers at Dhaka. As part of cultural tour, Visit of Bangabandhu Military Museum also offered a fascinating glimpse of Bangladesh's proud liberation war and modernization of armed forces. Besides, there was a stunning cultural evening showcasing rich heritage of Bangladesh last evening.
Annual General Meeting held today prioritized the common strategies and plans to promote initiatives and capacity-building measures. With the aim of establishing peace in the world, today this conference is going to end, with a promise to strengthen cooperation among its members and observers.